This is a walkthrough video on how to use the drafts commenting system. This system allows you to browse and provide comments to drafts. It's password protected, and while all delegates can view the comments entered to the system, only assigned delegates can submit comments. If you are a delegate who would like to provide comments to a draft, please contact your delegation's contact administrator. If you are a contact administrator looking for instructions on how to assign meeting report contributors, please click the link on the screen to watch an explanatory video. To access the drafts commenting system, from the meeting webpage, click Meeting Documents here to the right. You'll log in using your email and password, and you'll be taken to the central platform for all meeting documents and draft texts and draft reports. You'll see to the left here, the first tab gives you access to all papers submitted to the meeting, and in these other tabs, you can sort by agenda item or delegation. Additional documents might include a host country communique, presentations, group photos, etc. And you'll see this new section, Draft Texts, where you'll find draft proposals or other texts that a chair or a delegate would like to informally share, in which they might open for comments. If a text is open for comments, you will see the comments link and the time frame for submitting comments in red. So we'll click here on comments, and you'll see all comments already made by other delegations. To submit a new comment, we'll go to the bottom and click Submit a New Comment. And under Agenda Item Paragraph Title, we'll write a reference to which section of the text we are commenting on. And under Comment, write the proposed change itself, or if you're uploading a tracked changes file, a brief description of the edits. And here you'll have the option to upload a Microsoft Word file with track changes of the relevant section. And don't forget to click Save. Once the form is submitted, you'll see your comment in the list at the top. And you can always go back and edit your comment by clicking this edit icon to the right. And here you can also delete your comment. And the same process applies to providing comments on draft reports. You'll see the last tab here is Reports. For example, we have a report tranche open for comments. Whenever a draft text or a draft report has been posted and is open for comments, the chair will send a notification to inform delegates. And if you have any questions, please contact the Secretariat's Information Officer.